Hello friends, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. Today we'll be trying to give a solution for a very interesting question that was asked previously for National Aptitude Test in Architecture. By analyzing this question, we could understand this can be solved using three-point perspective. To draw three-point perspective, we need to draw focal line on top of the paper and mark for three vanishing points. After marking three vanishing point, you could draw the tree from the third vanishing point with the guidelines and draw other objects like houses nearby the tree and faraway object, whatever is there in the picture. You could draw with the simple shapes. After completing a rough outline drawing, you could add details to the picture, whatever you want. Then fare the drawing, rough drawing, using dark outlines continuously. You could decide the direction of the light. You can light and shade to the picture. And I believe you know the basics of three-point perspective, how to draw the three-point perspective. And if you don't know how to draw 3-point perspective, you could check my other video, upcoming video. I'll be very soon I'm posting to the basics of 3-point perspective. In that I'll be explaining how to draw the cubes and cuboids with the 3-point perspective. So with that you could learn the basics of 3-point perspective, then try to convert into objects. That means all other furnitures, objects into the 3-point perspective, and buildings you could draw. Then you can very easily solve this kind of 3-point perspective questions. So here is a completed picture now. I hope we have solved above given question to us. So this can be solved using 1-point perspective also. So that is also possible. But anyhow, I think this is because the bird is sitting on the tree and on the edge of the nest. So it can be solved with a 3-point perspective, because the height of the bird, we could definitely draw this picture with 3-point perspective. Okay, now in the question it was given inside the nest we have eggs, but we drew by mistake baby chicks inside the nest. Here we changed it into eggs. I hope you like this video tutorial. Please subscribe to get more videos to crack NATA entrance examination. I'll be keep posting videos on this topic. Try to comment, and whatever you want you can please post it as a comment. We will try to solve the question you are asking for. Thank you very much. We will meet again with another tutorial.